Have you ever wondered how your smartphone screen works when you touch it? It's fascinating, isn't it? One moment you're simply sweeping your fingers across a flat surface. The next, you're scrolling through your photos, typing a message, or launching an app. But how does this magic happen? Let's unravel the mystery. At its core, the technology behind touchscreens is surprisingly simple. It's all about electrical currents, sensors, and some clever computing. There are two key types of touchscreen technology, capacitive and resistive. Resistive touchscreens, the older of the two technologies, work like a sandwich. Imagine two electrically conductive layers. When you press on the screen, these two layers touch, forming a circuit. This tells the device exactly where you've pressed. However, resistive touchscreens are becoming less common, mainly because they require a fair amount of pressure to work and can only register one touch at a time. Capacitive touchscreens, on the other hand, are the ones you'll find on most of today's smartphones and tablets. Unlike resistive screens, capacitive screens don't rely on pressure. Instead, they use the electrical properties of the human body to their advantage. Here's how. A capacitive screen is coated with a material that stores electrical charge. When you touch it with your finger, you're essentially completing a circuit, changing the screen's electrical charge at that point. Sensors at the corners of the screen measure this change, and the device's processor calculates exactly where you've touched. And what about multi-touch? That's where things get a bit more complicated. Each individual point of contact changes the screen's electrical charge at that spot. So, by measuring these changes, the device can recognize and process multiple touches at once. This is what allows you to zoom in and out of your pictures or maps by pinching or spreading your fingers. To sum it up, touchscreens work by using electrical currents, sensors, and smart computing. The type of touchscreen, resistive or capacitive, determines how your device registers your touch. Resistive screens respond to pressure, while capacitive screens use the electrical properties of your body. And it's the capacitive screens that can handle multiple touches at once, thanks to their ability to measure changes in electrical charge at multiple points on the screen. So the next time you tap, swipe, or pinch your smartphone screen, remember the complex orchestration of technology taking place beneath your fingertips. It's the perfect blend of physics, engineering, and computer science that makes our interaction with these devices so seamless and intuitive. Now that's some real touchscreen magic.